Hello learners, welcome to the week 7 of the first quarter. Our topic for this week is about real numbers. So here I am again, your teacher, Sir J. Real numbers comprise of any number that you can think or use in everyday life. It is the compilation of all types of numbers. Each real number represents a unique number along the number line. On the real number line, a point corresponds for every real number and a real number corresponds for every point. So let us look at the Venn diagram of the real number system. So for real numbers, there are two givens. One is for the irrational and one for the natural or the rational. So under rational, we can say that a rational number is composed of integers. Integers composes of a whole number, and whole numbers are natural numbers. Therefore, we can say that natural numbers are whole numbers, and the whole numbers are integers, and integers are rational numbers. So let us look first with the innermost, which is the natural, then whole number, then integers, and rational. The subsets of real numbers, we can say that natural or counting numbers. So these numbers are the numbers that we use in counting. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. The three dots called ellipses indicate that the patterns continues indefinitely. This set is also called the set of positive whole numbers, and the set does not include 0. Ibig sabihin, si 0 hindi po kasama pag sinabi nating natural numbers. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hanggang saan po kaya magbilang. Hindi po kasama si 0, hindi kasama ang negative number. Number 2, whole numbers. These are the numbers consisting of the counting numbers or the set of counting numbers and a 0. Kasama na po si 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Integers, the set of natural numbers commonly called the positive integers. They are opposites and 0. So sa integers kasama ni si negative. So, pwede nang kung hanggang saang negative po kaya, negative 100, negative 1 million. Basta pupunta po tayo ng 0, pataas ulit sa positive 1, 2, 3, hanggang saan ulit kaya. Number 4, rational numbers. These are numbers that can be expressed as a quotient A over B of two integers, provided that B is not equal to 0. Kasi po, pag si B ay nag-equal to 0, meaning to say that the given fraction is undefined. Hindi po pwedeng maging 0 ang ating denominator. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a quotient of two integers. It includes the non-terminating and non-repeating decimals. Their exact values cannot be expressed as either terminating or repeating decimals. However, you can use a calculator to find their decimal approximation. So, yun po yung ginawa ko last time for the week 6. Pinagamit ko kayo ng calculator para po malaman natin yung exact value ng ating given irrational number or yung ating radical. Numbers whose roots cannot be extracted are not the only rational numbers. For example, pi is an irrational number which is approximately 3.141592.6, or that is 3.1416. So that is irrational numbers kasi wala po siyang exact value. May decimal siyang kasama. So this is the set of real numbers. So galing sa real numbers, kagaya lang nung explanation natin kanina, pinagkaiba lang ito nakagraph, yung kanina naka-Venn diagram. So real numbers have two components, the irrational numbers and the rational numbers. Sa irrational numbers, natapos na doon kasi hindi naman siya ang aaralin natin. So we will be focusing on integers, non-integers, whole numbers, negative integers, zero, and natural counting numbers. Rational and irrational numbers together are called real numbers. Real numbers can be arranged in increasing or decreasing order. It would be easy to do this by expressing first all the real numbers in the same form. Rational numbers are numbers which can be written as a quotient of two integers a over b, where b is not equal to 0. And irrational numbers can be expressed in a fraction form or decimal form. Converting fractions into decimal form is simply dividing the numerator by the... Ay, what's this? Kasama pa ba yun? Hanggang set lang natin. Yan, so what we will do this week is just the learning task 2. So si ABC, yun lang po ang sasagutan natin. So since napaka simple lang niya, what we will do is I will not discuss the other topic. So this would be just the explanations of the answers. So since yung iba naman ay submit na kahit wala pang video na binibigay. So ganito lang po ang gagawin, hindi ko na ipapakita na nagka-calculator ako, and since dahil ang ating sense naman is the real numbers lang, edi you can easily get the answers by just listening to me. So learning task 2, A, state whether each statement is true or false. So you will just write if it is true, true kung true, then false if it is false. So for number 1, the smallest negative integer is negative 1. Syempre, the answer would be no, kasi mas mababa si 2, si negative 2, mas mababa si negative 3. Syempre, mas mababa si negative 100. Paano kung may negative 1 million? So there is no smallest negative integer. Kasi ang smallest po hindi natin masusukat kasi negative po ang pinag-uusapan even though in positive. No, pero kung ang sinabi niya is the largest negative integer, pwede si negative 1 kasi alam natin ang sunod sa negative 1, 0 na. Sir, paano kung negative 99, negative 0.99 ay hindi na po yun acceptable kasi ang integer lang natin ay negative 3, yung mga exact lang. Number 2, the largest negative integer is negative 1,000. O, kasasabi ko lang kanina, pag sinabi nating largest negative integer is negative 1. Therefore, false pa din ang sagot for number 2. Number 3, all numbers greater than 0 are positive integers. So, lahat ba ng number na mas mataas sa 0 ay positive? Yes po, syempre naman. E di anong sagot? Very good. True, hindi po false. That would be true kasi mas mataas sa 0, lahat ng nasa kanan ng ating number line ay positive. Number 4, the repeating decimal 0.1616 is a rational number. Syempre, ang sagot ay false. Very good. Kasi nga po, si rational, siya yung mga natural number, whole number, counting number. Pag po irrational, siya na yung mga decimal, yung mga fraction, and yung radical. Number 5, the number pi is an irrational number. Ano nga ba yung pi? Yung nakita po natin kanina, ang spelling niya is pi, hindi yan yung pi na kinakain, yung apple pie, buko pie, iba naman yung pi na yun. Our pi is commonly being used in solving the area or the circumference of a circle. So ang value ng pi natin is 3.1416. So that is irrational number. So the answer must be true. Number 6, every negative integer is smaller than 0. Oo.
Lahat ng negative mas bababa sa 0. Walang negative integer na mas mataas kay 0 kasi ang lahat ng mas mataas kay 0 ay positive. Next, number 7. So, anong sagot sa number 6? True. Number 7, irrational numbers can be found on the number line. Irrational numbers can be found on the number line. Pwede naman, kasi pinaplat naman natin siya eh. So, pwede, possible. At ang sagot natin is true. Number 8, decimal numbers are integers. Ang decimal numbers po ba ay integers? Siyempre, ang sagot is no, kasi po, nasa irrational si decimal. The real number square root of 625 is irrational. Anong sagot? False. Kasi si square root of 625 ay rational. That would be exact. Number 10, 0 is a natural number. So, si 0 ba ay natural number? Paano ba pag sinabi nating natural number? Natural or counting numbers, ibig sabihin hindi kasama si 0 kasi po si 0 ay whole number. Therefore, ang sagot ay false. Letter B, arrange each set of real numbers in increasing order. O this one, hindi ko sasabihin ang sagot. Kasi po, ang gagawin natin dito, i-arrange natin in increasing order. Ibig sabihin, magsisimula sa maliit, papunta sa pinakamataas. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito pinakamaliit for number 1 is si negative 2. Sunod si negative 1. Tapos, kayo na pong bahala kay 5 tsaka 9 over 2. Ang paano gagawin? Hanap po ng calculator. 9 divided by 2 o kaya 9 over 2. Ang lalabas po na sagot dyan is 4.5. Alin ang mas mataas? Si 4.5 or si 5? O, kung mas mataas si 5, edi si 5 yung huli. Kung mas mataas si 4.5, edi mas mataas si 4.5. Nasa unahan siya ni 5 kung siya yung mas mataas. Next, number 2. Ganun ulit. Arrange lang natin. Increasing, pataas lang, nanggagaling sa pinakamaliit. So, for this one, tingnan natin si negative 9 over 4. Ang kalalabasan niyan sa calculator, tapos si negative 3. So, uunahin natin lagi yung negative number kasi yun lagi yung pinakamaliit. O pataasan sila o pababaan sila ni negative 3. O kung sinong mas mababa, edi yun ang mauuna. For number 3, ganun din. So, ayan, 6.88. Tapos yung isa is square root of 64. O lahat sila positive naman. Ang gagawin, calculator ulit para malaman yung value niya sa decimal kasi mas madali siyang i-arrange kapag naka-decimal. So, for number 4 and number 5, ganun din gagawin. So, letter C, use real numbers to represent the following real-life situation. So, real numbers meaning to say, pwede tayong gumamit ng natural, pwede tayong gumamit ng whole number, pwedeng gumamit ng integer, pwedeng rational number. Yun ang ating real numbers. O pwede rin gumamit ng irrational numbers pala. Real numbers pala ang irrational. Use real numbers to represent the following real-life situations. Number 1, a temperature of 8 degrees below 0. Pag sinabi nating 8 degrees below 0, pwede nating ilagay dyan, negative 8. Number 2, a gain of 6 kg in weight. Gain, ibig sabihin nagdagdag. Anong sign ang gagamitin? Positive 6. Number 3, sea level. So, dun sa drawing natin nung week 2 yata yun. Ano yung sea level natin? Lalagay natin dyan. Number 4, 50%, 50 pesos of the original price. So, magle-less ka ng 50. Anong ilalagay kaya? Number 5, an additional of 3 points. Nagdagdag ka ng 3 points. Positive or negative.
Number 6, a drop of 8 in a heart rate. O, nagbawas ng ng heart rate, bumaba ng 8. Positive or negative? Number 7, a plane ascends 1,000 feet. Nag-ascend, ibig sabihin tumaas. Positive or negative? Number 8, Micah got a deduction of 2 points for her offense. Nag-deduct, ibig sabihin nagbawas. Negative or positive? Number 9, Daniel went down 4 floors of a building. Bumaba si Daniel. Positive or negative? Number 10, a slice of a cake that is divided into 8 equal slices. Ito lang yung kakaiba kasi yung cake in-slice ng 8 equal slices. So, that would be a fraction. So, titingnan ko yung sagot nyo sa number 10. Kailangan fraction yung magiging sagot. So, and that's all for this week. Thank you very much for studying. Kung meron pong tanong, huwag mahihiyang mag-message. Kung meron pong naguguluhan kayo kung saang part, i-message lang ako. Pwede akong i-text, may number po ako dyan sa inyo. Pwede ring mag-comment sa Google Classroom. Pwede rin namang mag-comment sa video na ito. And that's all for this week. Goodbye.